Former Richmond Circuit Court Judge Reilly Marchant retired in June. His attorney says his retirement had nothing to do with claims made by two attorneys that his efforts to develop a social relationship with them were improper. 1 month before Richmond Circuit Court Judge Reilly Marchant ruled in favor of a second casino vote in Richmond in August of 2023, he allegedly told a female attorney who actively appeared before him in court that, quote, if she wore a dress in court, he would be too distracted to focus on the case. He also messaged the woman on December 27th of that year, asserting a desire to come by her home to say Merry Christmas and catch up. In doing so, the judge inquired whether this request had been too forward. Around the same time frame, he allegedly told a second female attorney who appeared before him in court, I love you. She claims he solicited hugs from her, would text her that she looked great, and attempted to kiss her in his car after the pair got lunch together at Taza. That's according to this agreement between Marchant and the Virginia Judicial Inquiry and Review Commission. JIRC is the branch of Virginia's judicial system that investigates charges of judicial misconduct. The commission concluded that Marchant's conduct breached two judicial rules. The first, concerning the need for a judge to govern his or her public and private conduct to ensure the greatest public confidence in the judge's impartiality and integrity. The second, regarding the need to refrain from speech, gestures, or other conduct that could reasonably be perceived as sexual harassment. In the agreement, it states that Marchant offered sworn testimony where he acknowledged his effort to obtain a social relationship with these individuals as a sitting judge who presided over their cases was improper. He further conceded that with the benefit of hindsight, he now recognized that there existed an unbalanced power dynamic between himself as a judge and these individuals who appeared before him, such that they could not reasonably refuse his efforts to pursue a social relationship with him. Marchant expressly denied telling the first female that he would be too distracted if she wore a dress in court, denied telling the second female that he loved her, and also expressly denied having attempted to kiss her. Marchant's attorney shared this statement with us from the retired judge. I did my best as judge for the city of Richmond for the 9.5 years I served, and I think most people who kept up with it would say I did a pretty good job. If I got too close platonically to a couple of attorneys with whom I tried many difficult cases over a 9-year period, then that's on me. Further, if I ever unknowingly and unintentionally did or said something to make them feel uncomfortable, then I apologize to them. But never were any of my judicial decisions compromised or partial in any way, nor has or could anyone credibly say otherwise. As part of the agreement, Marchant agreed not to accept future appointments as a judge. In exchange, the commission decided not to proceed with a formal hearing. In Richmond, I'm Melissa Hippolyte for CBS 6.